Thatgirlkitaa. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with Unice hair. I'm sorry, something happened to the unboxing portion of this video, but you know, Unice looked out. They sent a lot of goodies to go with this unit. Now before we get too deep into the tutorial, I just want to say that I am not feeling the best, so excuse how I sound. I know I'm a little nasally, but I want to give you guys the hair details and a quick little review on the hair. So like I said, this unit is from Unice hair. This is their 13x4 kinky straight unit in 26 inches. Y'all, I actually love this texture. Like, I really love this texture. The unit is so full. The hairline came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so super beginner friendly. The only problem or issue I ran into was that the hair did shed a little while I was straightening it. That could be because I really combed through those kinks to get the hair as straight as possible. But other than that, you guys, I really love this hair. It straightens really well, and for this texture to be more on the coarse side, it still has a lot of movement. But anyways, you guys, I cannot stand to hear myself talk anymore. I will have the hair details and Unice's website linked down below in the description box, so check them out. Thanks, Unice, for sponsoring today's video. And to everyone else, I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Oh, and really quickly, you guys, I want to mention Unice's unboxing video giveaway that they're having. The rules are super easy, and you could win up to $200 off. So all you'll need to do is post your unboxing video or pictures to your social media and be sure to tag Unice, and then they'll randomly choose 9 winners. So make sure y'all enter in that giveaway. Good luck to you. But now I'm really done talking. I'm about to go drink some tea or something. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. See you on my next video. Bye.
Inside a G-class, that's just a start. Get plenty things kind of life, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space that you need. There's no place if you got time to waste it with me.
blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about shit. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. You see how I roll, how I did it on the low. Go tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit.
house and building. Get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a starter kit. Plenty things got in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no place if you got time to waste it with me.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about shit. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it, you can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even all your friends that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my fish.